It's always a good day when you open up the mailbox and you see your package has arrived from Iceman Collections. I'm so excited about this. I want to open it up and share it with you. Before we get into opening this package, I want to let you know of a couple things I like about Iceman Collections right off the bat. His website is very easy to navigate and very clear. And when you order something, and this is probably my 6th or 7th order I've gotten from him, the box is very sturdy and it's going to be very well packed. Okay, again, it's very well packed. A lot of nice bubble wrap here, a little sticker. Yeah, I like how everything's packed here. I ordered a lot of different stuff. What we got starting off with, Chevy 632 supercharged engine. That's how it comes. Thing looks cool. Let's open this up, get a better look at it. I've built a couple of his engines and they build it very nice. I've talked to several people at several model contests that have built his engines and they love it. They love his engines. The detail on that's very nice. You get a transmission. It's the whole entire engine. The headers, that's what I like, how the headers are open. That's cool. I think this is one of his newer engines too. Very nice. If you go to his website, Iceman Collections, you'll see on his engines, he's got right now 75 different engines he offers. What else we got in here? I ordered another one of these. This is a V12 Aldrin engine. I have built a couple of these. They go on hot rods, street rods. In fact, one car ended up selling at a show. Guy had to have it. I didn't want to get rid of it, so this is why I've bought another one. I kind of regret selling it and getting rid of it. But I know this builds up very nice. That is so cool. You don't see these anywhere. They aren't in any model kits, and the detail is unbelievable. That is so cool. And that's that engine. And again, if you go to his website, you're going to see right now 75 different engines offered. Yeah, I got another engine. Love my Ford Flatheads. What do we got here? I'll show you guys. There's some tubing that comes with. That's the engine. Again, the detail is excellent. Headers are open. Everything's open on it. And this stuff comes off the trees very, very easy. The detail on these are wonderful. What else we got in here? Okay. I picked up a 60s GMC conversion. I'm doing some pickups right now, and I want to turn one of the trucks into a GMC. And here's what you get on the conversion, along with the tailgate. Of course, that's for the front. There's your GMC. There we go. We'll get it right yet. Nice pieces. So you can convert one of the Chevy trucks into a GMC. What else we got? Okay, I wanted to try some of these distributors. I haven't never bought any distributors. I think, again, it might be something new that Iceman's carrying, so I wanted to try them out. Let's see what they look like. You get 3 of them. These are probably in the engine bay add-ons. Right now he's got 51 different engine bay add-ons on his website. And those holes are open, so you could put some wire in there. But I wanted to try these out, see how they work out. What else we got? We got several goodies. Oh my gosh. Here we go. These spray cans are a hit. That's another thing I ended up getting rid of. A guy in my local model club saw these and had to have them. I had a whole set made up. And they were sitting there, and he absolutely fell in love with them. But these are spray cans. Cap off, cap on. And these are probably under diorama pieces, and right now he offers 43 different diorama pieces. These spray cans build up really nice. These are really, really neat pieces. What else we got? More distributors. Okay, I picked up some 6-cylinder distributors. The other ones were 8s. These are going to be the exact same as the 8 cylinders. And they're open also. More spray cans. Like I said, the other spray cans I ended up giving away to that guy when I had them painted up. But I'm going to paint these up and keep them. The next person that wants them has to go to Iceman Collections under the diorama pieces and order some. Nah, he's a good buddy. Usually give stuff away like that to my friends. Another thing I like, I gave several away, I've got a couple left, are these milk crates. Here's a milk crate I had painted up a while back. These milk crates are really cool. They're very thin, very realistic. There was no flash, no sanding or nothing on these milk crates. As you can see, these are straight out of the package. Very nice. These are ready to paint. I love these milk crates, but I ordered several milk crates this time. Love the milk crates. What is this? Something else I ordered. Oh, I know. These are the packs that go on a LS engine. Ordered some packs. And I'm wanting to do the Sanford & Son truck. So I picked up the correct grill for the Sanford & Son truck. And these are probably under customizing pieces maybe on his website. He has about 83 things that you can order from customizing pieces. So between the engines, engine bay add-ons, custom parts, wheels and tires, which I've ordered wheels and tires, and diorama pieces, Iceman Collections has it all. Best thing to do for this stuff, or for Iceman's Collections, is to scroll down to the bottom of his page and sign up for the newsletter. And the reason you want to sign up for the newsletter is you will get a monthly newsletter, and in that newsletter you will have promotions and savings. Everyone likes saving some money. So go sign up to his newsletter. That's how I know about all this stuff coming out. Love it. We'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.